Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I want to discuss about thermal radiation and how do we use this in our daily life is now whenever you go for a restaurant or at home, someone likes very hot tea and someone likes not very hot, a medium. So someone want to go for hot tea means if you want to keep hotness for a long time, what type of cup that we have to choose? Is it a black or a white? Okay. I like hot tea. Should I use black or white cup? Is the topic today. Here we go. Now we have two cups. Which one do we have to select if you want to drink with hot for a long time? So in physics we have some concept that black is a good absorber of heat radiation and good emitter of heat radiation. It acts as both. For example, if you hold with hot water in the black cup, it releases heat faster than the white cup. So what happens? You cannot hold hotness for a long time if you go for a black cup. So the white is a poor emitter at the same time poor absorber of heat. Now since we are using the hot tea inside or the hot coffee inside the cup, so we have the heat source inside, so it should act as a emitter, not absorber. And next video I will talk about absorber. Now we are discussing here about emitter. The reason inside in the both cup we are using hot coffee or hot tea, so the heat source is existed in, so it will be acting as a emitter, not absorber. Okay, suppose now I tell the another what is absorber. Absorber means it takes the heat in. If you keep the two cups outside for some time like 10 minutes uh, in the hot place, so what happens, you can check. If you touch the black cup, it will be more hotter than the white cup, which means the black absorbs the heat radiation faster than the white cup. So again I repeat, please everybody, please listen carefully. The black is a good absorber, at the same time good emitter. The white cup is just opposite, poor absorber, at the same time poor emitter. And in this case we are talking about emitter because we have hot coffee or tea inside a cup, so heat source is inside, so it should emit the heat energy. Emitting means giving out of heat energy radiation. So here black will release the heat energy faster than the white cup, so you can use a white cup if you want to drink hot coffee or tea for a long time. So good emitter, a poor emitter. At the same time, a good absorber, and the white cup, poor absorber. Okay. Okay. If you have any doubt, please you can use your comment box, and then don't forget for like and subscribe. So black painted car is good or bad choice? It is your question for you. Just think and then you can comment. You can post your comment. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And regard from Khan. Love you all for your supporting. Thank you very much.